and safe at your home. This is once again Ritpana Shahadatta. Welcome back to my channel Splendid Kiddos. Kids, you know I have already promised you that I will bring videos regarding the fractions, and I have now maybe you are thinking that I am not bringing the fractions, but already those who are watching my videos regularly, I have already done 2 videos of fraction, and next episode also I will bring on this week. So today this is the topic, different topics, and you know this is a very viral topic too, because nowadays everybody just want that how she or he will calculate very fast. So abacus, what is abacus? Those who are watching from India already, they know that how you will calculate with the finger and as well as our finger abacus tool. You know there is one abacus tool, but from where I am now just taking a video, here the abacus tool is not available. So from my country, those who are watching my videos, for them I have already drawn one abacus tool, and today this is my first class. Those who wants to join my abacus class, I will give them personally my WhatsApp number so that you can contact with me if you have any class, you want to do any class regarding the abacus. But anyhow, today this is a level 1. So you have already known the finger abacus, because already I have it's long time ago I have already made the finger abacus video. So again I will bring. So what happened, you know, today I will tell you with the tool how you will calculate. You know there is some abacus tool is there. In this tool, we can calculate ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, 100,000 place, this kind of place value. You already know the place value. Now, this is the ones place. The value of this one is 5. Tens place is 50. 100 place is 500. 1000 is 5,000. So like this, and this is 10,000 means 50,000. So like this, you know. So and this one is ones place means 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is tens means this is 10 means 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is the 50. So in the abacus tool, if I will tell you 1, you know in the finger abacus what we learn, that right hand is denoting the ones place and left hand is denoting tens place, right? So right hand, if I open this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I raise my all fingers of my right hand, this is denoting 5, this is denoting 9, and if left hand, if I close this one, this is 0, okay? So if I raise my left hand index finger, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is the 90. So in this abacus tool, how we will calculate? So though I don't have abacus tool, the master abacus, I don't have the tool, so I will just draw. What is it? You know 1 means I have raised 1. This is called beads. I have raised 1 beads up from here, means 1 beads here. That means this is 1. 2 means I will always use my index finger to beads up, okay? So if I raise my beads, this is 1. If I raise 2 beads, 2. If I raise 3 beads, 3. 4 beads, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now the 5. 5 means if I this is already up in the case of 5. So if I make it down the beads, this is denoting 5. So what I do in this case, there is no already all beads are up. So whenever you will calculate, after finishing calculating, you will put down the beads. So 5 means only from here to here, this beads I will bring down. So this is denoting 5. 6, this is 5, 1 beat up, this is 6, 7, already 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Sorry. And 10. 10 means I will go to the tens place. Tens place means if I bring this one here, this is called 10. No, if I put down these beads down, this is called 50. So in the tens place, what I do? This is the tens place bit, tens place line. So I make it one beads up. So this is denoting 10. Now 11, ones plus tens plus. What is the 11? Already here 1. So 10, ones plus tens. So I should write two lines. This is ones plus, this is tens plus. So this is what this is the one beats up means this is denoting 10. So from here one beats up. This is called 11. Now 22. 22 how? 22. This is the tens place. This is the ones place. So 22 means 20. 2 beats up, and for this ones place 2 beats up. 25. This is 20 and 5. That means from ones place I will make it, put it down 1 bits. 35 means 1, 2, 3 and 5 again means this is up. 50. 50 means again this one I will make it down this. So this is the ones place, this is the tens place. 50 means from here I will make it down. This is called 50 and ones place. I will not make it up any bits because this is ones place value is 0. 99. 99 means this is 50, right? This is tens place, ones place. This is and this is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This is 90 and 9. 9 means 1 in the ones place, 5 for the 5 for uppers. So for the upper case, I will put it down 1 bit. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it is 100. 100 how I will write 100? 100 means 100 means ones place, tens place and 100. That means I will make it down, and for the tens place I will not make it up any bits because this is ones place and tens place value is 0. 86 means this is 50, 60, 70, 80. This is 80. This is tens value, and ones place 6 means 5 and 6. This is called 86. 56. 56 tens place, ones place 50. This is 50 and 6 means from up 5. This is 5, 6. So this is called 56. 92. 92 means again 92, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 2 means from the down I will up 2 bits. 44. 40 ones place, tens place. 40 means tens place 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 40 and 4 means up the downward area from the middle. If it is like this, this is means 0. That means no bits coming from upside to down and from down to up. That means this is a position of 0. So this is which one I am doing? 44. So this is which the 44 I have told you already. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now last one is 51. 51 means 51. How you will calculate? Ones plus tens plus 51. You know this is 50 and 1 like this. So you will practice at your home. This is different, and also you different kind of numbers from 100 plus and tens plus, even ones plus also, and you make it one abacus tool like this. Hope you like my today's video, and I will give my WhatsApp number. What is my number? My number code is 25196783054. This is my WhatsApp number. If you need any concession, if you need any instructions from the abacus, and this is the level 1. Today I've already started, so more video I will bring for you. So today up to this one. So hope you like my video. If you like my video, give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, revert back to me. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.